Duck 695 alive from Bethpage World Park. We are back here at World Park once again. Today is Friday the 13th. No pun intended. Fade off Valentini is up. First batter for Long Island. No hits on the board. No runs on the board. First balls, strike one.
I'm actually considering it.
Really? You gotta let me know though. Tyler bailed out, so.
Again, everybody just bailing on you, man. But I feel awkward going.
No, it's fine. It's fine. He doesn't really have a girlfriend, but he's quote unquote girlfriend. He went with guys in his girl before. Please, baby.
I feel bad doing that to Jackie though, but Jackie's done it to me a lot.
Yeah, exactly.
And the problem is, if I tell them I can't go, there can be no pictures on Instagram saying that I was out of the city.
We're not going to the city. Doesn't matter. What?
Nah, I was thinking for a minute. We're just so loungy. We're watching scary movies.
No, we're not. No, we're not.
You know what makes me not have this girl alive?
No.
Is it you bought me the devil inside?
No, I saw that. It's scary.
You did? Is it good?
It's fucking scary.
What's it about then?
I don't fucking know. I wasn't looking. It's that scary. And that's a walk. It's a freaking scary movie. That's out.
Why?
Guys, I don't like scary.
Guess what?
I love Smiley though.
You'll like my scary movies. My scary movies are good.
No, we're not watching scary movies.
Oh, you're such a party pooper. Saitta Studios. He's my boy. Oh my love. There's that smile.
1-0 count.
Oh, okay.
To Aaron Bailey.
See how it is. Ooh, hello? Oh my god, I called you. I'm sorry. You, but not right now. But since you're on the phone. So Chris still has that third ticket, and everybody keeps saying yes and then bailing on him. That kid Tyler that I met last time that I showed you the picture of, well, he was supposed to go, and he was supposed to ask his mom a while ago.
And it's up in the air, deep, back at the wall, and it's out of here. Adam Bailey with a home run, and now it's 2-0 Long Island. a low fly from Kerry Baez, and about to step on the plate, and it's 2-0 Long Island. You can see that the camera work is getting better.
Bye. Oh, she didn't tell me what to say to Jackie. She said she's gonna talk to her dad. Maybe a yes and it may be a no.
If it is a yes, I swear to God, I'm gonna love your pants forever. Dan lines is up. 2 out, 1 on, and it's up in the air, and it will drop for a base hit. Yeah, it will. It's drop for a base hit. First to third was jammed, and a 2-out rally going on after a 2-run home run.
He didn't sound sarcastic.
No.
Awkward.
He just wanted to make the ticket worthwhile. Plus, he doesn't really care. He just doesn't care.
He's okay with us bringing him too? What'd your mom say?
My mom said, "Are you sure that's what you guys want to do?" I'm like, "Yeah, that's the only way. I mean, we get most of it done. I mean, and no one else is calling on me to get this extra ticket." She's like, "All right, as long as you guys know what you're doing." Uh-oh. And here comes the rain at Bethpage Ballpark. Everybody run. Expecting a rain delay to come because here comes heavy downpours.
That was quick. We're fine up here.
I told you. It starts to rain here at Bethpage Ballpark. Really bad. It's on an angle going towards the outfield. So far, no bad stuff. But now they're getting the tarps ready. We are expecting a rain delay any second here at Bethpage Ballpark. The grounds crew and the promo staff are ready to roll out the tarps here at the Bethpage Ballpark. If you see at the corner, they are ready to do it. And it looks like there will be no promotion. That means there will be a rain delay coming up here. The tarps are located on the third base side here at the ballpark. There was a rain delay at Citi Field for the New York Mets. They just started 20 minutes ago.
The game?
Their game.
Oh.
And now the rain is coming towards the camera. And they're calling off the game. Here comes the rain delay. Bethpage Ballpark is gonna see a rain delay for the first time this year. The rain is coming down here at the ballpark, which means there will be a rain delay. For the first time this year at Bethpage Ballpark, there will be a rain delay.
Look at all the people smushed in next to each other.
If you could see it down at the first base side, everyone's smushed together. And here comes the tarp. This is the most funniest part of baseball right here, getting the tarp to stay on the field. So here we go. Will the tarp stay for the first time this year?
Rain delay at the Duck Stadium.
And it does. Now it's time to fix the tarp.
Fix it later.
Everybody's running. Umpires, everybody, all helping out, trying to get this tarp on the field.
Oh my god, it looks
Bullpen's emptying, coming down the first base side and the third base side.
huge.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, the tarp is on the field. Good job by the grounds crew. But the rain is really coming down here at the ballpark. Everybody's huddling up all around the ballpark. Umbrellas are out. They're getting the sandbags on. This looks like it will be a while until we resume baseball here at Bethpage Ballpark. Here is the situation if the game does get rained out for the rest of the day. If the Ducks, they're still winning right now 2-0 at Bethpage Ballpark. If the rain still continues all throughout the night, there will be no more game. Game will be over. Ducks will win in 3 innings. That is an all-time record here at Bethpage Ballpark. So that is it for right now. That's all the coverage we have about this rain delay. We will be back very soon. We hope to resume Ducks baseball here at Bethpage Ballpark in Central Islip. We'll be right back. Due to the rain here at Bethpage Ballpark, so far there is no word on whether the game will resume or not. But right now we're actually going to do something really fun for the first time on the channel that I just came up with. We're going to see what fans do during rain delay that they're crazy enough to stay out on the field. So let's see. We're going to zoom in on random people and we're going to see what they're going to do, what they do. They have an umbrella over there. These people, those girls over there are just standing in the rain for some reason. You have these kids playing catch the can, which is a weird game that's created by them. We have people under the tent over there. The rain is coming down pretty hard at the ballpark. We have people waving on their umbrellas. That couple over there does not seem happy. That couple under there does not seem pretty happy about that. I wanted to show you guys actually really something funny. All those people under there, and I'm going to go to the other side of the field. All the fans are standing under there. Let's go in. Let's zoom in. Okay. That worker is getting pretty wet. So far, no word on whether the game is going to resume or not. Right now, at the current moment, it doesn't seem like it's going to happen. But anything could change at any time. Let's go to this side of the field to see what fans are doing over here. We have these random people just standing outside in the rain, not giving a damn. We have these people waiting for autographs. Will they have autographs or not? I don't know. Look at those kids in ponchos. They're ready to go for anything. Look at this little girl over here. She's not giving a damn. Look at that.
She's like
calling at her mom. He's like, hey mom, come over here. I'm just gonna stand on the dugout. Oh, it's wet on the dugout. Ew. What's going on over here now? We're having a nice intelligent conversation. I think so.
It's funny, they don't even know we're videoing now.
No one knows that we're videoing. It's all random. Okay, so let's give you guys a recap of what's going on here at the ballpark. We're just gonna zoom in at the scoreboard and tell you what is the score and what's the situation at the current moment. Okay, let's see. Right now, the Ducks are in a rain delay after going 3 strong innings. Ducks scored last bottom of the inning, by a 2-run home run by Adam Bailey. Right now, it's Ducks are up, and it's a 3-2 count to BlueFish with 1 out. If the game does resume, which it probably will or will not, we don't know yet.
I say no.
My girlfriend says no, but we're gonna see. BlueFish will be up with a 3-2 count with 1 out and nobody on. We're going to be right back. We're going to see if the Ducks do resume play here at the ballpark. It still is raining. There is some breakage in the clouds, but not enough to stop the rain. We'll be right back after these
Later.
not messages. Okay, I'm gonna tell you something, guys, really funny. The Ranger game is on tonight, and guess what they just put on the Jumbotron? Rangers versus LA Kings game number 5. Live right now at LA, and they're putting it on the Jumbotron right now. And now it's downpouring here at the ballpark.
It's seriously, I told you they're not gonna take the tarp off. I'm just upset.
And the umpire is coming on the field. What for? I don't know. But we'll find out any second. Anyways, LA and Rangers are about to tip off here. So here we go.
Why is everybody like the Rangers?
Because they're in the playoffs. That is a very smart decision on the Long Island Ducks, and I give them props for it. Good job, Long Island Ducks. Very good job on their part. The rain seems like it's not going to end here at the ballpark, so most likely this will be the last video before we find out anything. The umpire, I just got informed that the umpire is going to the other side to probably call off the game. So, most likely this will be the last video. I will let you guys know whether it is or will not. But right now, the Ducks are putting on the Ranger game at Bethpage Ballpark. So, right now, we're going to be watching the Rangers while we wait for any word or confirmation about Ducks coming back or not. Right now, it's 2-0 Long Island. It's 0-0 Long Island and LA Kings. This is one interesting game that we're having here at the ballpark. And a really good decision on the Long Island Ducks. We're putting on the hockey game, which is really, really important to the New York area. So good job, Long Island Ducks, for doing this for the fans. And I'm going to watch it. So we'll be right back with more right after this. So yeah, that's basically the situation at the current moment. They just put back on the Ranger game on the scoreboard. Nothing bad has happened here at the ballpark. No lightning yet, which right now, at the current moment, which is really good, because that's when they would have to shut off everything here at the ballpark. Even the lights would have to be shut off here due to the electrical current of lightning. And I just got bit by a freaking mosquito.
You're supposed to slap him.
And I got blood drawn from me. Because, look.
Ew.
That's not even from the mosquito.
That's the mosquito?
Yeah, that's not even from the mosquito. That's my own blood.
Ew. Babe. Sorry.
Okay, so, stop.
I'm not, I'm just trying to relax.
Okay, so right now we're going to zoom in on some people once again. That was pretty fun the first time when I did it. So let's do it again.
Sorry. I'm not trying to tickle you.
We're going to zoom in on some random people. That coworker's like, I want to go home. And look at this, look at this. They're still playing that freaking game before that I was going about before. Look, they're doing pitching warm-ups. Someone's going to be on the Long Island Ducks now. You don't play with a freaking water bottle though, which I find that weird. Now they're playing softball in here. The kid in the black is the umpire apparently, and that's the next batter.
I'm confused. They're playing baseball. Tight.
They're trying to work in some promos here and there. So let's see. Let's zoom out a little bit.
Hi.
Watch your step.
Well, let's see. Let's go into some people. Let's see what some people are doing. Yeah, I saw that. Alright, that couple over there is really comfortable right now. Oh, they're talking to the hot dog people. They're ordering hot dogs in the rain. That should be a song. I'm ordering hot dogs in the rain. Hot dogs in the rain. And then you have that guy in the Mets attire. It still is raining here. That work over there is like, when this rain stops and I could work. Let's go to some like stuff that's going up on up here. Let's zoom in some people from the upstairs area.
We're like
You got people in the suites just drinking beers and having fun. You got those kids over there playing like tag or something. You got a lot of Rangers fans here tonight in the Rangers gear.
I can tell.
Alright, we're gonna go to the other side now. Let's see. So you see those people over there having a good time. Grand old time over there in the box, just watching the Ranger game.
It is seriously raining.
It is raining pretty bad here at the ballpark. Most likely this will be called as a rain out, and we will have to go to a separate game. Look at that rain. Look at the rain coming down here.
Oh my god, I want to take a picture of that. If I can even.
That is a really good shot of the rain.
That is a good shot. Because it's like freaking boring. Hang on, hang on.
Hold on, I want to see something. I want to see if I can put it up a little bit. I'm going to get through. Yes! Perfect shot of the rain coming down here in Long Island.
This is what it looks like reading. We're stuck in a rain delay at the dock.
So we're going to come back with more updates here at Bethpage Ballpark. We'll be right back.
The worst? Wait a minute. I'm the one.
Oh, wait a second. Are they going to take off the top? According to people, they will be taking off the top and play will resume here. And here we go.
It's like lightly raining.
And play will resume here at Bethpage Ballpark. No hard bump to the field. Here we go again. Part 2 of detarping the fields. And the game comes back on, obviously. Even though the tarp is coming off the field, it will take another 10-15 minutes to resume play here at the ballpark. And probably for the first time in the Ducks, Ducks Extra or Ducks 695, or whatever you want to call it, we will probably not have a complete game for you. Due to the fact that it is getting pretty late here at the ballpark, and have a major trip tomorrow, we might not have a complete game for you here at the ballpark. It is the third inning. And now it's time to roll up the tarp completely. As the grounds crew is trying to get all the dirty work done while the ushers and the promo crew and all of them are trying to take the tarp off the field and get this game back on the way. The rain delay took about 45 minutes to an hour. I think it was an hour now. The hockey game's still on. It's a pretty empty stadium now, though. Once a packed stadium, now it is deserted. Only a few stragglers are still here at the ballpark. The hardest part of any baseball team is to put the tarp back the way it was, nice and perfect. This has been a really interesting game for the Long Island Ducks this year. And obviously for Ducks 695, it is a first to witness our rain delay be saved and be resumed back in play. We are hoping for a good restart pretty soon. But game will resume here at the ballpark after about an hour, 25-minute delay, according to what I've been told by the ballpark. Game will resume here at the ballpark. We'll be right back. Right when the rain stops, the rain is back on. Rain delay once again. We didn't even start the game and the rain is coming back down. That means that this game will probably not resume.
That's worse.
Just when you thought it was over, it turns out it won't be over. The rain is continuing here at the ballpark, and most likely this game will not resume. What crazy night here at Bethpage Ballpark. Just when you thought the game was going to resume, it doesn't resume here.
Well, just when we take off the tarp, it has to go straight back on. And it's downpouring again. It's so bad. It's
10 times worse than what happened the first time.
That's perfect right there. That's so bad. It's like
Round 2 of trying to get the tarp on the field. Let's see if the crowd, let's see if they can do it again. They did magic the first time. Oh, some trouble here.
Is that heavy?
Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
I feel bad for them. I feel bad for that girl. She's doing a lot of work.
And they did it again. The team did it again. Say they were most likely coming home. Oh, I thought your mom was calling. Alright, so most likely this game will not resume here at the ballpark. We're probably going to call
It lightened up now. The tarp's back on, it lightens up. The tarp comes
That's
up,
the thing.
comes out.
That's what I'm saying, though. It probably will not resume due to the fact of this ongoing saga of rain, no rain, rain coming back on, rain coming back off. It will probably not resume. The head boss of the Long Island Ducks and the umpire are talking right now. They're seeing what they can do now. They're trying to figure out what's going to go on now. It rains, it stops raining. It pours, it doesn't pour.
So they took the tarp off the thing and then the game, and then the game was supposed to come back on. We were all sitting in our seats ready to go. It just started downpouring again, so they just put the tarp back on. So now, now we don't think it's going to continue.
Or everyone's coming together now just to discuss what will happen and what's the fate of this game. Because most likely...
The tarp goes on, it's lightly raining. When it comes off, it's down. Yeah. Alright, I just wanted to let you know, so we'll probably be leaving here really soon. They're gonna cancel it. Alright, I'll let you know. Love you, bye.
I feel bad for all of the co-workers right now. I gotta give them major props though for doing this twice in a row. I gotta give them big props to the promo crew, the management, and the grounds crew for doing a spectacular job putting on and bringing off the tarp and putting it back on again. So I'm giving them major props in this game. And the Rangers scored! And the Rangers scored! The Rangers scored, it's tied. I'm letting you know hockey stuff. Meanwhile, we're in a baseball stadium. So right now it's tied for the LA Kings and the New York Rangers. And everyone's high-fiving like the Ducks just won a championship. This has been one weird game, but one thing's for sure, this is going to be something to talk about. We're still waiting for word on information. My camera's going to die. I don't think that my camera's going to last anymore. But now I'm just going to shut off the camera. I'm going to tell you guys what's going to happen, though, as soon as we find out. Alright. Alright, official confirmation. The game is going to be re-postponed. Official ruling by the umps, by the ALPA. The game is over. In the third inning. Question being, will this game be postponed? We are gonna wait for official confirmations, but from the organization, Ducks organization. But according to the umpires, they just did the rulings, and they just talked to both teams. They both agree that playing conditions are not safe, and they will be postponing today's game. We are just gonna wait though to find out the official limit. Official movement. It will be a doubleheader next time. The Long Island Ducks versus the Bridgeport BlueFish. Game is over. A doubleheader will be announced later on. But the Ducks are winning 2-0 right now. We'll make sure we get all the coverage for you guys about that game at a later date. But for right now, we are going to say goodbye here from Bethpage Ballpark, because the game is over. There is no game going on. Even though it stopped raining, the official ruling by the organization and the ALPS, there will be no baseball left for Long Island. We are going home. It is the end of the night. Thank you guys for joining us. It's been one crazy night here at the ballpark. Thanks guys for joining us. Right now, the Ducks are winning 2-0. Next time, we'll let you guys know how this game will play out. But until then, I will see you guys next time. This has been Long Island Ducks Baseball here on Ducks 695. Like, favorite, subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook. But for right now, we are leaving the ballpark with no baseball left to play. Rain delay ruined it. Now it's a rain now. See you guys next time on Long Island Ducks Baseball here on Ducks 695.